Welcome to our channel. Buying a used transmission? Know the differences: manual, AMT, CVT, DCT. Hey there, gearheads and smart buyers, thinking of buying a used transmission but not sure whether to go for a manual, AMT, CVT, or DCT? In this quick guide by Beelines Automotive, we'll break down the differences between these transmission types so you can make the right choice for performance, comfort, and cost. Before we shift gears, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay ahead in the world of used auto parts, engines, and transmissions. Manual transmission. Manuals are the classic choice, durable, affordable, and loved by purists. If you enjoy control and fuel efficiency, a used manual transmission is often the most budget-friendly option. Automated manual transmission, AMT. AMTs give you the ease of automatic without the cost. They're simple, affordable to repair, and great for city driving. Want low maintenance with minimal gear effort? This is a solid pick. Which one do you prefer so far, manual or AMT? Let us know in the comments. Continuously variable transmission, CVT. CVTs are all about smoothness, no shifting jerks, just seamless acceleration. Ideal for daily commuters and hybrid vehicles. But keep in mind, not all CVTs are built equal. That's why buying from a trusted used transmission seller like Beelines Automotive is essential. Dual clutch transmission, DCT. DCTs combine the best of manuals and automatics. Fast, responsive, and sporty. But they're more complex, so be sure to get quality tested used DCTs with verified compatibility. Enjoying this breakdown? Smash that like and subscribe for more quick auto tips. Why Beelines Automotive? We source reliable used auto parts, from engines to transmissions, tested for performance and shipped fast. Whether you drive a compact car or a performance sedan, we help you find parts that just fit. Need help choosing the right transmission? Call us at 1-888-752-4286 or email info@beelinesautomotive.com, and don't forget to visit beelinesautomotive.com for exclusive deals on high-quality used parts. Thank you for watching.